Welcome to the Inspiration Guide series YouTube channel, where you can get inspiration videos. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. In this training, I will guide you step by step on how to master computer skills. This program is designed for beginners and intermediate learners who earn practical, real-world computer knowledge using the Entertrain.app platform. My name is Ademola Akinboye. As your tutor, I advise you to always use a laptop or desktop for best learning experience. Step 1. Access the Entertrain.app website. Open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Visit Entertrain.app. Let me show you how to master typing in 1 month with Entertrain.app. We use books to make the practice engaging and effective. All right, let's go to Entertrain.app. I'm typing the URL now, and there we go. The site is loading. Okay, let's practice typing. Here comes the homepage of Entertrain.app. Watch the screen as I type. Mastering the computer is not about intelligence. It's about practice, patience, and guidance. Step 2. Understand the learning dashboard. Once logged in, explore the course sections and check progress tracking. Step 4. Practice daily on the platform. Complete every interactive exercise. Repeat tasks until you can do them without thinking. Step 5. Learn core computer applications. Progress into practical tools such as word processing, spreadsheets. Step 6. Take assessments and challenges. Attempt quizzes and practical tests. Review mistakes. Browse the internet professionally. Solve small problems on your own. Real-life practice turns knowledge into skill. Step 7. Apply skills outside the platform. To truly master computers, practice typing documents and organize files on your computer. Retake lessons if needed. Mistakes are part of learning. Improvement is the goal. Basic troubleshooting. This is where confidence becomes expertise. Internet and email usage, online research skills. Apply what you learn immediately by doing real tasks. Use Entertrain.app practice modules consistently. I recommend at least 30 to 30 minutes daily practice. Review practice tasks and assessments. This helps you know where you are and what to focus on. File and folder management. Basic system navigation, Windows or Mac. Do not rush this stage. Mastery starts with basics. Step 8. Track progress and stay consistent. Monitor your learning progress. Set weekly learning goals. Avoid skipping lessons. Once you're comfortable, let's move into productivity tools, online collaboration, and digital problem solving.
Once again, welcome to the Inspiration Guide series. My name is Ademola Akinboye, popularly known as Oracle Hoji. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspirational videos. So this is how you can master your typing on a website known as the Entertrain.app. So this app is being known worldwide, and this app has already trained a lot of novice, a lot of amateur on how to type fast on computer, on keyboard. So now I'm going to join on this website on how you can type and how you can also be reading. As you are reading, you are also typing. So this website has a lot of opportunity that you can earn from, and this opportunity, when we get to the website, I will tell you on how the opportunity that you can gain from this website is. So now let's dive into the website. Now, if you are using Chrome, if you are using Mac, if you are using Edge, if you are using Firefox, just make sure you go to your website dashboard. And don't forget, this website works on all phones, either iPhone, Android, tablet, or whatever. So this website works on it. Firstly, you go to your dashboard, then you type Entertrain.app. Yeah, click your enter. Allow it to finish loading. So here comes the Entertrain.app. So now we have, you can see the template. So now we have, from the menu, we have the home, we have the books, we have the start, we have the upload. So we also have the, if you want to join their Discord server, their Facebook, and their subreddit. So that is Reddit. So I'm not going to that aspect. So now, read books, practice typing. Practice typing by retyping famous novels. Not only will you improve your typing skills, but you will also enjoy some of the greatest stories ever told. A good place to start is a step-by-step guide that kickstarts your adventure to the world of typing. Now, from this website, now, if you want to start the tutorial, maybe you want to learn on how to type without even reading the book, you can click on this tutorial. But if you don't want to, do the tutorial, but just want to go through the books, and from the books you can start typing. So you can just click on skip. So if you don't want to click on skip here, just come to the book bar here. So you can see they have now this is the book template. So they have a lot of books, they have a lot of gen that you can select from. So we have action that contains action books. You can see all they have a lot. So you can see adventures. This also contain adventure books, a lot of adventure books. So you can see autobiography that contains like 5, biography for children. So a lot of gens are on this platform that you can generate a lot of content from. So now maybe for example if you want to go to short, we are going for short. So this is for short, like maybe stories that you can generate a content from. So as you are reading these novels, so you can also learn how to type. So from this place within 3 days you can your typing speed will be so much fast and so much accurate. So now let us go to the one of the books. Click on open. Then now this is the template of the books. Then from here you can click on start. So as you are reading the books now, you are going to be typing the content inside the books. Now from this first content we have Pestis Eram virus. So just click on Pestis Eram virus. As you can see that as I'm reading I'm also typing. So now this is how you are going to be doing it. So and take note of this, if you made a mistake, this pink color will appear there. That means you made a mistake. So you can just go back, you can just delete it back, then go and correct your mistake. Go and correct your mistake. But okay, it's V. So go and correct your mistake from there. As you can see that as I'm typing, I'm also reading. So full stop and click on enter. You can see so to another paragraph. So now if you know that maybe you don't want to type, so you can go for reading mode. Just come to this cursor side and click on that cursor side. Then you can be reading it without doing what, without typing. So this website has a lot of opportunity. You know how to type and you get a lot of books that you want to read and a lot of novels. Now from these novels you are reading, you can also generate content from it. So you can also upload your own books. Maybe you design some books, maybe you created some books. So and this is what they supported, EPUBs and TBF files. So there are some applications that supported these types of file. You can download it from your Microsoft Office. So now let's go back to home. So this home, as you can see, this is how you are going to generate your content from this book. Let's select okay, let's say we are selecting romance. You understand? So Little Women. So from this, just click on start. Then we are not typing this time around, but we are into reading mode. So this is the title of the novel, Playing Pilgrims. So now you can just copy this pilgrims, copy all the content, go and paste it on your Microsoft Word or your notepad. Then from there, copy it from there, go to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT convert this to what? To video conversation. Do you understand me now? So from here you start generating your own content. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Inspiration Guide series. I'm expecting you in my bio link. Drop your comment if you are satisfied with this tutorial. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more inspirational videos.